Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever feel like your Microsoft Teams status is a bit bossy? You step away for a minute, and suddenly it's telling the world you're away. Today, I'm going to show you a simple trick to keep your status as available so you can take that much needed coffee break or, just look productive. First things first, you'll need to open Microsoft Teams in a web browser, not the desktop app. This is crucial for the trick to work. Once you're in, go to your calendar and click on New Event. We're going to create a quick fake meeting. Give it any name you want. I'll just call mine Test Teams Meeting. The key here is to make sure you toggle on the Teams Meeting option. This will generate a meeting link that we'll need in a second. Once that's done, hit Save. Now, click on the meeting you just created and select Join. A window will pop up asking for your audio and video settings. You can leave your camera and microphone disabled. We won't need them. Just click Join Now. You'll now be in your own personal Teams meeting. Don't worry, nobody else is joining. The next step is the secret sauce. Open a new tab in the same browser and head over to YouTube. You're going to find a long, uninterrupted video. I recommend something like reading music or ambient sounds, since those videos are usually hours long. Why do we do this? Because as long as the video is playing in one of your browser tabs, your computer won't go into its idle or sleep state, and neither will Teams. That means your status stays available. You can even mute the video if you want. The important thing is that it's actively playing. Now, here's the final touch. Go back to your Teams tab and click on your profile. Picture in the top right corner. You'll see your status is already set to in a call, but we're going to override that. Simply click on your status and change it to available. And just like that, you've got a status that won't budge. You can now take that well-deserved break, and Teams will think you're still at your desk. So there you have it. A quick and easy way to stop Teams from automatically changing your status to away. Just remember, this is a fun trick, but you should always use your work hours productively. We wouldn't want anyone getting laid off for taking a long nap on the job.